Chapter 4 Expansions. In today's lesson, you will learn what are expansions, what are identities, how many types of identities are there, how and when to use them. What are expansions? Expansions are basically a process in which the contents of brackets are evaluated. There are many expansions. What is an identity? An equation which is true for all values of its variables. There are many identities that are next. First, a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now, the question arises how we got it. Let's check it out. So first of all, it was a plus b whole square. So, whole square means multiplying 2 times, right? So, I multiplied a plus b with each other. So, a plus b multiplied by a plus b. And now I multiplied first variable that is a with a plus b and the second variable that is plus b with the second bracket that is a plus b. So I got my result a square plus ab plus ab plus b square. And at the end, my final result is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second, a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now, the question arises how we got it. Let's check it out. So, first of all, it was a minus b whole square. So, now I will multiply a minus b with each other 2 times. So, I multiplied a with a minus b and minus b with a minus b. And I got my result a square minus ab plus b square. So, there is minus ab and minus ab. So, minus minus will get plus, but the sign will be of minus only, right? So, I got my result a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third, a plus 1 by a whole square is equals to a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. Now, the question arises how we got it. Let's check it out. So, first of all, it was a plus 1 by a whole square. So, I multiplied a plus 1 by a 2 times with each other. So, first variable that is a with a plus 1 by a and the second variable that is plus 1 by a with a plus 1 by a. And I got my answer a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. Fourth, a minus 1 by a whole square is equals to a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. Now, the question arises how we got it. Let's check it out. So, first of all, it was a minus 1 by a whole square. So, now I will multiply a minus 1 by a with each other, okay? So, I multiplied first variable that is a with a minus 1 by a, that is first bracket, and I multiplied second variable that is minus 1 by a with the second bracket that is a minus 1 by a. And at the end, I got my result a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. Fifth, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equals to 4ab. Now, the question arises how we got it. Let's check it out. So, first of all, we know that a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square and a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So, we will substitute their values. So, a square plus 2ab plus b square minus a square minus 2ab plus b square. And at the end, we got a square plus 2ab plus b square minus a square plus 2ab minus b square. So, now, I want to ask from you, was end of this derivation? No, it wasn't. So now what I will do? I will cut a square and b square. How I will cut? See, here it is a square which has a positive sign, okay, and here is a square which has negative sign. So positive a square get cancelled with the negative a square. And here is also plus b square that is positive, and the positive b square will get cancelled with the negative b square, right? That is minus b square. So cancelled. So we left with just 2ab plus 2ab, that is equals to 4ab. And therefore a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equals to 4ab. Now you can check them very clearly. And this derivation is very easy, right? Now, after looking and learning identities, we will look towards those questions and we will discuss those questions which are related to these identities. Question 1. Find the square of 2a plus b. Now, how we will solve it? Let's check it out. So, by applying identity a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, we will be able to solve it. So let the value of a be minus 2 and b be minus b. And 2a plus b square is equals to 2a square plus 2 into 2a into b plus b square. So 4a square plus 4ab plus b square is the second 502 whole square. Now the question arises how we got it. Let's check it out. So by applying identity a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, we will solve this question. Now you might be thinking how I got it, right? See, it is 502 whole square. So if we will add 2 in 500, we will get a answer 502 only, right? So now I'll let the value of a be 500 and b be 2, and 500 plus 2 whole square is equals to 500 square plus 2 into 500 into 2 plus 2 square. So that is 250,000 plus 2,000 plus 4, and at the end I got my answer 25 lakhs 2,004. You can see it very clearly. It is step by step. Now we got our answer. The third 97 whole square. So now the question arises how we got it. Let's check it out. So by applying identity a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square, we will be able to solve it. So 97 whole square is equals to 100 minus 3 whole square. So let the value of a be 100 and b be 3, and 100 minus 3 whole square is equals to 100 square minus 2 into 100 into 3 plus 3 square. So that is equals to 10,000 minus 600 plus 9, and that is further equals to 9,409. Question number 3. If a minus b is equals to 7 and ab is equals to 18, find a plus b. Now the question arises how we got it. Let's check it out. So, by using identity a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equals to 4ab, we will be able to solve it. So a plus b whole square minus 7 whole square is equals to 4 into 18. We have substituted the value, right? So a plus b whole square minus 49 is equals to 72. So a plus b whole square is equals to 72 plus 49, and that is equals to 1 to 1. So that is a plus b whole square is equals to 1 to 1, and a plus b is equals to root 1 to 1, and that is further equals to plus minus 11. Remember children, you always have to write plus minus 11 as it is very important, otherwise your marks can be deducted. So you can see each and every step very clearly, everything is solved very easily. Now, question 4. If a minus 1 by a is equals to 8 and a is not equals to 0, you have to find a plus 1 by a. So let's check it how we got it. So now, by using identity a minus 1 by a whole square is equals to a square plus 1 by a square plus 2, we will be able to solve it. So 8 whole square is equals to a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. We have substituted the value of a minus 1 by a whole square. 64 is equals to a square plus 1 by a square plus 2, and 64 minus 2 is equals to a square plus 1 by a square, that is equals to 62. So 62 is equals to a square plus 1 by a square. So we have solved the first part of the question 4, right? Now the second is, we will use the identity a plus 1 by a whole square. So that is equals to a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. Now we will substitute the value, that is a plus 1 by a square is equals to 62 plus 2, that is equals to 64. So a plus 1 by a whole square is equals to 64, and that is equals to a plus 1 by a is equals to root 64, that is further equals to a plus 1 by a is equals to plus minus 8. Remember, you have to write plus minus always. Now, checklist. Now, let's check what all things we have done. Is anything pending or not? Let's check it out. So these are the questions which we have to take it, right? So what are expansions? Turn. What are identities? Turn. How many types of identities are there? Turn. How and when to use them? Turn. So everything is turn, right? So now I'm giving you practice exercise. Question 1. Solve 998 whole square. Second part. If a minus b is equals to 4 and ab is equals to 6, find a square plus b square. Question 2. Evaluate a plus 2b whole square. Second, 2a minus 3b whole square. Question 3. If x plus 1 by x is equals to 16 and x is not equals to 0, find x square plus 1 by x whole square. Whoever will comment on this video will get a shout out in my next video, right? So thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. So we will meet soon. Bye bye.